Hey, what's going on, Kick family, and welcome back to our Garnish Herb series. Now today we have the most incredible bay leaves. Just about every recipe from homemade stock or long simmered soup calls for dropping a bay leaf or two into a pot. The aromatic leaves might not look like much at the surface level, but their flavor is unlike any other herb or spice. Bay leaves are sweet, herbal, floral, and they lend a depth of flavor to a multitude of dishes. Bay leaves are an aromatic herb that hails from the bay laurel tree, which is a native tree to the Mediterranean. The leaves are almond-shaped, green, and about 2 to 3 inches long. Bay leaves are most commonly used in southern cooking. I often tell my friends from different regions, if you want to know the flavor profile of the South, just start using bay leaves. Bay leaves are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. These vitamins are all known to support a healthy immune system. Bay leaf tea can also ease bouts of upset stomach. The tea is also very aromatic, which can help relieve sinus pressure and a stuffy nose. Simply stated, if there were ever a leaf to represent the whole entirety of the South, it'll definitely be a bay leaf. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.